Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays a wreath at the tomb of the unknown soldier in Moscow. Now, PM Modi is on his two-day official visit to Russia for the 22nd India-Russia Annual Summit. Like we were telling you, the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently on a two-day visit to Russia for the India-Russia Annual Summit. In Moscow, he also addressed the Indian diaspora. PM Modi said India's relationship with Russia is based on mutual trust and respect. Modi recalled that this day marks a month since he took oath as Prime Minister for the third time. He vowed to make India the third largest economy in the world in this term.
मैंने प्रण किया था कि अपने तीसरे टर्म में मैं 3 गुनी ताकत से काम करूंगा। तीन गुनी रफ्तार से काम करूंगा।
Now, as he communicated his government's goals for the next 5 years, Modi emphasized on housing for the poor and on women empowerment in rural areas. The Prime Minister said the entire world is amazed by the speed of development that India has acquired in the last 10 years. He spoke about India's successful moon mission, the country's flourishing startup ecosystem, as well as developmental projects.
आज जब भारत L1 पॉइंट से सूरज की परिक्रमा पूरी करता है, आज जब भारत दुनिया का सबसे ऊंचा रेलवे ब्रिज बनाता है, आज जब दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची स्टैच्यू बनाता है, तो दुनिया कहती है वाकई भारत बदल रहा है।
PM Modi added that India is seen as a strong pillar in the evolving multipolar world. He claimed that the entire world believes that the 21st century is India's century and vowed even faster growth in the next 10 years. While on his two-day visit to Russia for the India-Russia Annual Summit, the Indian Prime Minister will be honored with the prestigious Order of St. Andrew the Apostle in Moscow. Now, the award was bestowed upon PM Modi back in 2019 for his contribution towards developing a strategic partnership and maintaining friendly ties between Russia and India. The order dates all the way back to 1698. When it was first established by Tsar Petr the Great. It is named in the honor of St. Andrew, the first apostle of Jesus and the patron saint of Russia. The order is only awarded for the most outstanding civilian or military service. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Russia is set to bolster long-standing ties between the two countries. He will also be laying a wreath at the tomb of the unknown soldier. Prime Minister Modi last visited Russia back in 2019 at the far eastern port of Vladivostok and met the Russian President, Vladimir Putin. They again met in 2022 at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in Uzbekistan.
यहाँ पे मेरा ऑफिस है जहाँ पे मैं अपने सहायता गांव में काम करता हूँ।
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.